Good Monday morning. Today we're just gonna do kind of a preparing for the work week vlog. There's three main priorities. One is to do laundry or finish laundry. I should have one load. Clean the house, which is the biggest chunk of it. And then I also want to knock out my meal plan for the next 2 weeks because this week is payday, which means I get groceries at the end of the week. So I want to get my meal plan figured out. So I'll probably work on that one and talk you through it. But so far this morning, I just kind of took it a little bit slower, edited yesterday's vlog, did a quick workout, and then had some breakfast. So yes, I'm in the same clothes, didn't do much yesterday, so I'm wearing it again. But I think the first thing I'm going to do is go start the laundry, the load of laundry. And my goal is to get the house clean before that shuts off and needs to be transferred. And then we'll do the meal plan. But like I said, you know, those are the three priorities. That's basically what I'm going to film today. Let's get the laundry started and we'll get cleaning. That is a workout when you try to beat the clock. I think there's like 2 minutes left. The only thing I didn't get to was the kitchen, which I'm thinking I'll wait until after I make lunch, just in case I decide to prep anything. I don't think I will, but just in case. If I do, then at least I can clean the kitchen after that. Like I said, it's got like 3 minutes, I think 2 minutes, something like that. Once that shuts off, I'm gonna take a break for a little while. You saw I finished the cleaning in the kitchen. The last thing on my agenda was this. I figured out 1 week. I still have to figure out another week. Basically, I pick one lunch, which we're gonna do BLTs for one. I still need a second one. And then for dinner, I do 2 different meals on 1 week and just kind of alternate it. And if I'm gonna open a package of beef or certain ones of chicken, I try to make sure both meals use it so that way I'm not wasting it. So I'm gonna do Dorito taco salad for one, and then we're gonna do burger bowls for the second one. So that'll use up the beef, and then ignore that, that's for this week. But the last 2 dinners I also need to come up with. So I'm still kind of brainstorming. I also browse Pinterest for meals that I've pinned over time to try and make. So still working on this. I'll let you know when I'm finished, but this will be the last piece that has to be completed. I came up with second lunch, which I think I'm just gonna do like a pimento cheese sandwich situation, something really simple. And then I'm gonna do a zucchini parmesan pasta that I used to make all the time. It's just literally zucchini, yellow squash, mushrooms. Mix it with some pasta and some Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna use protein pasta though, so I can get some protein in. So I just need one more dinner. I'm trying to come up with something to use chicken for, maybe. So I think I'm gonna wrap this up here though, because I really don't know if I'm gonna come up with this meal today or if it's gonna be later, and that's really the last thing there was. So I hope you enjoyed coming along with me as I prepared for the work week, a little bit of cleaning, laundry, and meal planning. So I do hope you enjoyed, and I hope everybody has a blessed day.